Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 13. This is our last regular module for the semester. After this, it's just the final project, so congratulations, you are almost done. The topic again is formal commands, the same as Module 12. Again, it's that tricky topic with those opposite endings. It's not what we're used to, like I said, even if you've taken Spanish before. So if you didn't get everything right last module, now is the time to fix it, right? So make sure you look over like the comments from your last speaking assignment. Make sure you check your quiz grade. If you did not do so well, like make sure we review the material again. Reach out to me if you want to talk, if you want to go over anything, because again, it's that formal commands, that last topic. Okay, the final project is all that's left after this, so make sure that you understand everything that you need for that. Formal commands must be on the final project, so make sure you have at least a few of them, like throughout your scripts. And yeah, after this, you're just submitting your scripts, and then I'll give you comments, and you'll submit your videos, and that is it. Last homework packet, last speaking assignment, last quiz, reminder about the scripts, and let me know if you have any questions. Adios.